Next month's Apple event has just been completely leaked. That's right. As usual, Apple will host its September event, and this year it's scheduled for Tuesday, September 10th. In this video, I'll explain why this year's event is going to be especially exciting, and we'll cover all the leaked details about the upcoming products. The iPhone 16 is getting an updated design at the rear, with a vertical camera bump instead of the diagonal one adopted with the iPhone 13, allowing spatial video recording. Speaking of design, the other changes are the new buttons. The Action button, introduced last year with the 15 Pro, and the Capture button, coming on all the iPhone 16s. It will be a capacitive and pressure-sensitive shutter button, which would even allow swipe gestures for zooming. Finally, the last change on the outside will be the new colors, which should look like this. Moving on to the internals, the iPhone 16 will feature the upgraded A18 chip with 8 gigs of RAM, which will support Apple Intelligence. Finally, the battery will be slightly bigger. The iPhone 16 Pro series will feature a new polished titanium frame with a new desert titanium color, replacing last year's blue titanium. The screen will be brighter and with thinner bezels at 1.15 millimeters, and the chip will be upgraded to the A18 Pro, supporting Apple Intelligence. As for the cameras, the ultra-wide lens will be upgraded to a 48-megapixel sensor, and like the regular models, it will feature the Capture button. There are also upgrades to the battery, which will be larger, and to the charging speed, up to 40 watts in wired mode and 20 watts in MagSafe. Moving on to the Apple Watches, there will be released 3 models this year. The Series 10, featuring a bigger screen that reaches 2 inches of diagonal, and bigger sizes, 45mm and 49mm, so Apple will get rid of the 41mm model. There were leaks of a new magnetic mounting system for the bands, but according to the latest CAD files, the attaching mechanism seems to be the same as before. The watch will also have an upgraded chip, the S10, supposedly supporting some Apple Intelligence features, a bigger battery considering the bigger size, and a new sensor allowing sleep apnea detection. The second Apple Watch will be the Ultra 3. This one will feature the new chip, the S10, with some Apple Intelligence features, maybe a new black finish or some new bands, and the same new sensor of the Series 10. The last Apple Watch will be the SE3, featuring a plastic frame for the first time, allowing a lower entry price. The chip will be upgraded, maybe to the S10 or S9. It could maybe feature a newer and bigger display like the one of the Series 7, but that's still not confirmed. Finally, there will be released some new AirPods, the 5th generation, coming in 2 models according to Mark Gurman. One of them will feature active noise cancellation, while still maintaining the same open-type design without ear tips. Both models will have the new H2 chip and Find My capability for the case. These earphones could be released in September, at the Apple event, or later this year in October. There could also be released some new iPads, but nothing is confirmed for now, so we'll discover that at the actual event. Make sure to subscribe for more leaks, and drop a like if this video was helpful.